I'm Courtney Gambrell. I'm the facilitator for Caring Heart Support Group. This is a monthly virtual free support group for caregivers of our cardiac patients. This group is for the care providers themselves, for them to be able to have a place apart because loved ones are going through one thing, patients another. They're parallel, but they're different processes. And this group is really a place where the caregiver's concerns can be addressed and really receive support and an understanding forum. Other members of the group really know exactly what they're talking about. Their experiences are all unique and a bit different, but it's a little hard to admit that someone that you love who's struggling with their own significant health issue, that you're finding yourself frustrated, that you're finding yourself angry at the end of your own limits. And so there can be a guilt around that, a tremendous amount of guilt. And one of the really profound benefits of a group like this is that it helps people come back to the fact that that's a very human emotion. And that guilt has a place at the table, that anger, that frustration. There is a safe place to really talk about that. When I think any of us are forced or feel compelled to keep our emotions at bay, to keep them in, to constrict them, the pressure builds up in us, and it's an added burden to carry along with the other burdens of just the logistics of caregiving. Also, I think what happens when we are able to find a safe place to release frustration and anger, that clears our sensibility to go back and be with the loved one in a more fresh way, renewing their connection to what they do love about that person. Some of that anger and guilt has been able to be processed and dissipates a bit. Any experience, any emotion is possible and has its place here.